All local, all morning. You're watching Tennessee Mornings on Fox 17, presented by Loden Vision Center and HRC Medical.
Welcome back. It is 7:13 on Tennessee Mornings, and we've got some interesting things coming up here.
We sure do. I have an itchy nose. Can you tell? I've got like a fuzz on my nose or something.
Well,
I can't hardly.
Hurry up, get it.
Oh,
there you go.
Here we go. Okay, all right. Well, if your skin looks like it might need a little rejuvenation, but you hate the idea of aggressive treatments, then this next segment is going to make your day.
That's right. Dr. Gold is here with the answer you may be looking for. Very interesting treatment. I think everyone is all ears. Either they're watching at home or they're watching on their smartphones. Tell us what this new treatment is.
Well, this is a new concept. This is a device called the E-Matrix. We call it sublative rejuvenation. So instead of using a laser energy, we're actually using something called radio frequency, and we can deliver the energy in a different fashion into the skin. And I think we have a graphic that's going to come up that's going to actually show you, instead of just delivering a straight line like you see on the right, we're actually using what's on the left here, which is this radio frequency device to deliver energy deeper but wider. So we're creating much more energy deeper into the skin than traditional laser therapy.
Now, can the patient feel this when it's touching their skin, or is it?
It's like a rubber band snap. It's actually not as painful as some of the other laser procedures we've routinely done over the years. This creates little fine holes in the skin that you barely can see. And the advantage of this is that as it goes down like this, the top of your skin receives very little of that heat. So the pain isn't like what we used to create with a laser light. And so we've been using this device now for a while and refining, if you will, the techniques. And for acne scars and traumatic scars, this has been, for a lot of people, just life-changing.
Wow. And
I always make the comment, if I can make scars better, lines and wrinkles become easy. And that's what we've seen with this, and then the skin gets tighter, and it works very quickly. And we always talk about downtime with lasers and light sources, and you're going to get red with this, but most of the time that redness is gone within a day. And you know, lasers, some of them 3, 5, 7 days later, you're still really red. So for the majority of patients, you come in, you get treated, and you go about your business, you know, without much downtime at all. And, you know, the results speak for themselves. We use this on all skin types, all skin colors, because radio frequency is colorblind, so it doesn't matter what your skin type is. And we can take some pretty horrific-looking scars and make them better.
Wow.
As you can see here, this is one treatment. Now,
it's amazing.
It is amazing in a lot of respects. Not everybody's going to respond in one treatment. Some people need, you know, 2 or 3 or 6.
That's what I was going to ask you. How much of a process is this?
You know, again, it depends on the person. It depends on your genes. It depends on how you respond to healing. But the majority of patients with this are actually getting better, and in a lot of cases faster than traditional laser fractional resurfacing. So this is fractional bipolar radio frequency, known as the E-Matrix.
And I would assume, I mean, we're promoting it, we're talking about it, it's exciting. You're ahead of the curve in technology, and this is something that you need to contact you to get a hold of.
You know, we always like to think that, you know, in our office we've been doing lasers and energy systems for years. You know, we are one of the groups that companies will come to because of our experience, because of our research-based work that we do. We're usually ahead of the curve as far as having technologies, testing technologies, and sort of trying to figure out what works.
Right.
So, you know, then it becomes more available to other people. But we've had this machine, and it's really working well.
So that's the good thing. The positive thing is that it's not a brand new thing that you just got last week. You've been using it. You've got proven results, as you see there.
Right.
So it's something that if you have...
We've had this for about 1.5 years now,
great.
and sort of now getting the word out, now that we know all the details, and now we're, again, refining the treatment. So, yeah, it's pretty well established now.
And it's exciting, especially if you've suffered a scar from an accident, or you have acne scars like that. I mean, you see the difference. The results are unbelievable.
And if you want wrinkles gone, that's pretty simple now.
Everyone, I think, could use a little wrinkle reducing.
Right.
We're good at that.
Well, here's how you can get in touch. 2000 Richard Jones Road, Suite 220 in Nashville, 1-800-677-SKIN or goldskincare.com.
It's always good to see you.
Yeah, thanks so much for coming in, Dr. Gold.
Of course. Have a great morning. All right, now here's Craig Edwards and Brandy Malone, neither of which need skin refining.
Although, there's so many neat things that happen over at Dr. Gold's office. You know, that's a pretty neat place to hang out. I would swing by there, too, yeah. 78 degrees, partly cloudy skies here in Nashville.